That's Ferdinand, Ivo, Ernst and Tom, and I'm Roy. And Alex has asked us to kind of explore the possibilities, so we've come up with a number of concepts or ideas which we would like to share with you. So this is one of the first. We've just gone wild. We want your input on this.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll tell a little bit about this first idea, virtual people. The idea is that in the building fences that are around the project, there are these little holes where people can look through, and rather than just seeing what's happening on the other side, there's another layer of information added over this, what's happening on the other side. So you can do different things with that. For example, when you look through the people, you can see information about the progress the workers are making, or all different kinds of information. You can mix it maybe with images of how the future situation will look like, because I think if you give people an idea how it will look like in the future, they'll be more willing to accept the mess and the horrible situation they're in. And another, a little bit more extreme idea would be if you could detect the workers. Their outfits are usually very, these bright yellow, orange outfits. So you could project new images over that. For example, why not transform the builders that are working there into sexy women? So you make kind of fun little additions to the existing situation. Idea 2 is mirror to the future. Here the idea is that, again, based on the idea that it would be nice to give people an idea how the situation will look like in the future, and that they will be more willing to accept the mess when they see how nice it's going to be. So here the idea is that when you walk past the wall, there are these mirrors in the wall that show the future situation, and you can, the image of yourself is projected in this new situation, so you can kind of see how it would look like in the future when you're walking, in the future kind of. And another idea would be that you could have several of these mirrors, so you can have a mirror for the past situation and different stages in the project, so you can see how the project will evolve over time.
Well, this is also a concept throughout the build. Maybe when the whole zone is a mess, you could project every night a holographic presentation of what it's going to look like, as to remind people why they are in this mess, and to make it more bearable in a way. Next one. And there's also a problem that when all the trains are going underground and all the commuters come walking up to the station, you can't see any trains anymore, so you don't know whether you have to be in a hurry or you can relax or buy a snack at the counter. So what we could do about that is make some subtle unobtrusive feedback. So you could, when you walk up to the station, you could already see whether a train is departing or is coming in, or, for example, by using trailing lights, or an array of water jets or fountains, or very subtle interaction, just to show whether a train is leaving or departing. So you can adapt your pace on it.
This one is about the interactive map. So, well, there will be total chaos, mess, traffic diversions. So, how do you reach your destination point? Well, there are those fences around the building area. So they will put up a big map, interactive map, and where you can see up to date which projects of which roads are fixed already. And where is a big traffic jam or working situation you can't cross. So you can fill in your destination point. Well, I want to go to the train station, and well, it calculates the route at the moment, which is the best for you, which roads are blocked. So that's this one. Another idea, archaeological discoveries. Well, they will dig up a lot of sand. Maybe there will be some nice discoveries in there, and yeah, to have a nice interaction with the people around, kind of positive way. They can
see what they are doing there. The right idea is to add paint to the mud. So instead of one big round area, you see all kinds of colors, and it becomes far more playful. And the mud will spread over the city, so it becomes a playful road to the station. And this is an idea to make all the sounds more fun. So instead of talking, they are singing to each other, and instead of just throwing the mud on the ground, it's going through a beacon, so you hear different sounds and not only noise. And at the sides of the construction place, there are big screens, and which are transforming the sound into visuals. So like iTunes, you visualize, you see this kind of pictures, and you see the activity going on at the work area. So I think this was our presentation.
Okay.